Today's fun, Journey of Water.
How many of the Earth's surface covered by water?
71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water.
97% of which is in the form of oceans. The water in the oceans is salty.
3 types of water.
Solid water ice is frozen water. When water freezes, its molecules move farther apart, making ice less dense than water.
Liquid water is wet and fluid. This is the form of water with which we are most familiar.
Water as a gas. Vapor is always present in the air around us.
Water cycle.
What is water cycle?
The cycle of processes by which water circulates between the Earth's oceans, atmosphere, and land, involving precipitation as rain and snow, drainage in streams and rivers, and return to the atmosphere by evaporation as rain and snow, drainage in streams and rivers, and return to the atmosphere by evaporation and transpiration.
The water cycle is the process by which water circulates between the Earth's oceans, atmosphere, and land.
When the drops get together, the clouds become big and heavy. That is the reason why they will eventually fall down due to gravity. This process is called precipitation.
If temperatures are colder, what will be produced during precipitation?
Snow and hail.
What is rain?
Rain is liquid precipitation, water falling from the sky.
What is raindrop?
A single drop of rain.
Where does a raindrop go?
When a raindrop falls from a cloud, there are quite a few places it could end up. We might follow that raindrop into a stream, river, or ocean.
The most rainfall globally is Mawsynram, located in Meghalaya, India.
The lowest rainfall is the Atacama Desert in northern Chile, which receives minimal precipitation annually, sometimes going years without any rain at all.
What is condensation?
When water vapor rises into the air, it cools down as it goes higher and turns back into droplets of liquid water. These form clouds. This is the second part of the water cycle. Water vapor turning into liquid water is called condensation.
Where can you find condensation at home?
What is evaporation?
Evaporation happens when a liquid turns into a gas. It can be easily visualized when rain puddles disappear on a hot day or when wet clothes dry in the sun. In these examples, the liquid water is not actually vanishing. It is evaporating into a gas, called water vapor.
What is transpiration?
Transpiration is defined as the process where water evaporates into the atmosphere through plants. This is a process that is often overlooked when discussing the water cycle, as this process is responsible for about 10% of the water that is in the atmosphere.
What is transpiration? The release of water vapor gas from plant leaves.
Transpiration has 3 main steps. First, roots uptake water from the soil. Second, water moves through plant tissues, serving critical metabolic and physiologic functions in the plant. Then leaves release water vapor into the air through their stomata.
Uses of water.
Water has many uses, including drinking, cooking, cleaning, irrigating crops, and generating electricity, etc.